What's up guys, welcome back to another amazing house tour. Today we are right here in Muyenga and I'll be taking you around this apartment, and this is 3-bedroom 3 baths and it goes for $80 a night. Very negotiable for long stays. It's really amazing for those who are traveling in groups or families in large numbers. It can accommodate up to 6 people, and let me show you around. So here is the entrance. As you enter, you walk right into the living area, and also there is a dining area right here. You can see how amazing the furniture is, very modern and minimal. And right here is a little bar area where you can sit and just sip your drinks and all that. I really love these high chairs. They're just so nice and modern and beautiful. So out from here, from the dining area, you can go all the way to the living area. As you can see, it's just so simple with unique sitting area, comfy chairs, and this beautiful floor carpet, which is just so nice. And also, you know, sometimes Kampala can be hot, and here is air conditioning available. And right from the living room, there is this beautiful balcony where you can just get and sit. You see, you can just go sit and relax over here. And still in the living room, you have here your TV where you can just sit, watch your favorite shows. There is also internet. This is fiber internet, which is super fast, so you can stream on Netflix and everything that you want. So from here you can have an overall view of the living area and the dining area right from here. So right from the living area and the dining area, you can see there is a huge hallway here. But before that, we are going to first head over and see how the kitchen looks like. So here is our entryway to the kitchen, very modern kitchen. There is a cooker right here, 3 gas, 1 electric, that you can use during your stay. The kitchen is also equipped with utensils. You can see spoons, ladles. Everything is here for your cooking. Saucepans. So there's a lot of cabinets here. You can see the saucepans are right there. And right here you have plates. Glasses, both wine and water glasses are available. You can see their bowls up there. You have your blender right here. There is more utensils over here that you can use during your stay, so you don't have to carry any extra thing. You just carry yourself only. Also from the kitchen, there is this huge storage that you can use as your pantry. It has a microwave right here, and then also there is a large fridge that is right here. You can use to store your food. It's so spacious and it's big enough to store enough food and everything. So right outside the kitchen, there is that little door. So let me show you what is in there. So here is another outdoor area where you can wash from. And then there is also a washing machine right here for your convenience, so that you're able to wash anytime you would like to. It's just here readily available for you. Now that we have seen the kitchen, now let's head over to the hallway. As I mentioned, there is a huge hallway here. So in the hallway, there are 2 bedrooms over here, but let's start with this first bedroom. So you can see this is a beautiful bedroom that can sleep 2 people, and there is a nice blind here. You can open it if you just need fresh air. You can just feel free to open, and just very comfy. Also in the bedroom, there is a little sitting area over there and wardrobe storage for your convenience, so you can just sit there. Over there you can see there is a little sitting area, and then that is the storage, and you can just work from here. So now let's head over to the second bedroom, which is just opposite the first one. So you open the bedroom, you can see it also sleeps 2. Let me turn on the light. All right, here you can see it also has got a very large storage and a little sitting area over there. And you can see there's another large wardrobe or storage closet you can use, and this is your beautiful bed right here. And then just beside the bedroom, there is also another area over there where you can just sit or put in your stuff or pack your suitcases just under there. It's so nice. And this second bedroom has an ensuite bathroom, so we can head over to the bathroom and toilet, which is right here for your convenience. You can see that it's right here, and there is a shower. Let me turn on the light. There is a shower over there, and here is your amazing mirror. So nice. So this is the second bedroom. Let me take you to the next room. So from the second bedroom, let's head over to the hallway again. And from the hallway, you can see there is another toilet and bathroom here. You can use this as for your guests. So let me just turn on the light. So you can see there is a toilet over here, and here is a sink again with a nice mirror over there. And then right here is your shower. There is a glass partition here that separates the toilet and the bathroom. So here is your shower with a water heater and all that. So you can see it's pretty spacious. You can use this whatever time you want. So this is the second bathroom. So let me take you to the last bedroom. Remember I said this is 3 beds, 3 baths. So back to the hallway, you can see there is another bedroom right here. So let's just get in and turn on the light. So you can see this bedroom also sleeps 2. It's just so modern, so spacious. It has a little sitting area over there, and here is your large spacious wardrobe where you can store your things, suitcases, all your belongings. And right here, just below here, you can see there's a really cute mirror. That dressing mirror, it's so large and just so cute. So right outside here, this bedroom has another balcony right here where you can just sit and relax. So the third bedroom has also ensuite bathroom. So I will turn the camera that way and you can see the bathroom over there. So let's head over there and see how the bathroom looks. You can see it has got a toilet over here, and also there is a glass partition here. So you have your shower shower and heater over there, so you can just come here and take your time and shower and enjoy your stay. So guys, this is all I had for you for today. If you want to stay in this property, make sure that you check the contacts in this video description. If you want to view it, just contact the details in the description and let me know. Otherwise, thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video.